Everyone, I am again with you. In previous lecture, I have explained about the conic section. What are the conic sections? Conic sections are circles, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. Today we will study about circles. Here we will derive the equation of circle then and some problems related to the circle. So, what is circle? Circle is the set of all points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point. Now let O be a fixed point in a plane and P be another point at a distance OP, and we have taken a point Q that is also at same distance from O. So, circle, it is the set of all points. There are maybe other points also. So, set of all points which are equidistant from the fixed point. Equidistant from a fixed point. There are so many points which are equidistant from a fixed point. OP is equal to OQ is equal to OR. Similarly, there may be more points which are equidistant from fixed point. And this fixed point is called center of the circle, and distance equidistant, that means constant distance, and this constant distance is called radius of circle. Now, we will derive equation of a circle. Equation of a circle. Let a circle in a xy plane center C whose coordinates are HK. Center at C, coordinates of C are HK. And let radius of the circle center at HK, center at C whose coordinates is HK and radius is R. So, we have taken P, any point on the circle whose coordinates are xy. So CP is radius here, and CP, distance between a point on the circle and center of the circle. So we can find the distance by using distance formula, which you have studied in class 10th and in class 10th and 11th also. So CP is x minus h whole square y minus k whole square. CP is radius, so r root x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. Squaring both sides, we get x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is the equation of the circle, or you can say standard equation of a circle. Which circle? Whose center at C, that means coordinates of center is HK and R is the radius. Now, if center at origin, the equation of the circle will be simplest. If center at origin, like that, that means center 0, 0. So h is 0 here, k is r, radius r as it is. So equation of circle will be whose center at origin x square plus y square is equal to r square. Now I will take some problems on circle. First type of problem is where to find equation of a circle when center and radius is given. Center and radius given. I am taking problem from NCERT. The question is, find the equation of circle whose center is -2, 3 and radius is 4. So, center is given, radius is given. As you know, standard equation of a circle is x minus h whole square y minus k whole square is equal to r square. H and k, r is given, h, k and r are given. Just put the value of h and k. X minus, h is -2. So, minus plus x plus 2 whole square, y minus 3 whole square, radius is 4, so 4 square. This is the standard form. Or you can open x square plus 4x plus 4 y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 16. Or you can say x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y, 9 and 4, 13, 13 minus 16. So that is -3. So this is equation of a circle. Now we will take other type of problem in which equation of a circle is given and we have to find radius and center of the circle. The problem is, find the center and radius of the circle equation is x square plus y square minus 8x plus 10y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now, as you see, equation given circle is not in standard form. So, what to do? First, we convert equation in standard form. So, how can we convert? As you know, standard equation in terms of whole square. That means x terms have separate square and y terms have separate. So, separating x and y terms, take 12 on right hand side. How can we make it whole square? X square twice into x minus 8. So, minus 4. So, to make it whole square, what should be added? Minus 4 square. Y square 10y. 2 into y into 5. So, 5 square should be added. As we have added in the left hand side, 16 and 25. 12 plus 16 plus 25. Now, first three terms, whole square of x minus 4, y plus 5 and 53, or you can write as root 53 whole square. Now, it is a standard form. Now, comparing with standard form, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. As compare, you can see h is 4 and minus k 5. So, k is minus 5 and r is root 53. So, center of the circle is 4 comma minus 5 and radius is root 53, square root 53. Now, I have taken two type of problem. One in which center and radius were given, find the equation of a circle. Second type is equation is given, find center and radius. Now, I will take third type of problem, that is in which we have to find equation of a circle when center and radius are not given directly. There are some conditions and some properties of circle given. So, using these property and condition, we will find equation of circle. Now, one more problem from NCERT, that is, find the equation of a circle. Find the equation of a circle passing through 4, 1 and 6, 5, 4, 1 and 6, 5 and whose center lie on line 4x plus y is equal to 60. Now, how can we solve it? First you see what is given in the question. First point, circle is passing through the point 4, 1 and 6, 5. And second condition, that line center lies on 4x plus y is equal to 16. So what will we do? First we suppose, let equation of circle is, standard form you can take, x minus h whole square y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Center is hk and radius is r. Now condition, circle passing through the point 4, 1. What does it mean? That means 4, 1 lies on the circle. If a point lie on the circle, that means coordinate 4, 1 satisfy the equation of the circle. Now equation is this: x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Point 4, 1 lie on circle 1. So x is 4 minus h whole square 1 minus k whole square is equal to r square. And this is equation 2. Now point 6, 5 is also lie on circle 1. So 6, 5 will also satisfy the equation of circle. 6 minus h whole square 5 minus k whole square is equal to r square. Let this is equation 3. Now second condition, center lie on the line 4x plus y is equal to 16. What is center? Center is HK. Center HK lie on line 4x plus y is equal to 16. The same thing, if a point lie on a line, coordinate of point will satisfy the equation of the line. So 4h plus k is equal to 16. Let this equation is 4. Now the problem is, there are 3 equations, equation 2, 3 and 4, and 3 unknowns. 3 unknowns we have to find, h, k and r. You have studied simultaneous equations, solution of the simultaneous equation in class 10th also, in 2 variables, but there are 3 variables. So first will we convert into 2 variables. Now from equation 2 and 3, from equation 2 and 3, right hand side is equal, so left hand side must be equal. 4 minus h whole square 1 minus k whole square is equal to 6 minus h whole square 5 minus k whole square. Now simplifying, open whole square, 16 plus h square. A minus b whole square formula you can apply. So minus 8h. 1 square is 1 plus k square minus 2k is equal to 36 plus h square. 2 6 the 12 minus 12h plus 25 plus k square minus 10k. H square on both sides cancel, k square. So what does it mean? Minus 8h. Take minus 12h on left hand side. So it will be 12 plus 12h. Minus 2k plus 10k. Take constant terms on right hand side. 36 plus 25, that is 61. 16 plus 1, 17. So, four h plus 8k is equal to 44. You can take 4 as common. So h plus 2k is equal to 11. Equation 5. Now you can see equation 5 and equation 4. They are in two variables, h and k. By solving equation 4 and 5, we get the value of h and k. Find the solution of equation. You can apply any method to solve this, either elimination method or cross multiplication method, whichever you like. Now here 4h plus k is equal to 16. So solve, making equating coefficient, multiply either by 2 in equation 4. So h plus 2k is equal to 11. 8h plus 2k is equal to 32. Minus minus minus. So minus 7h is equal to minus 21. So what is h? H is minus 21 over minus 7. So h is 3. Now to find value of k, you can put value of h either in equation 4 or 5. Now from equation 5, h is 3 plus 2k is equal to 11. So 2k is equal to 11 minus 3. 8. K is equal to 4. Now h we have calculated 4 also. Now what is remaining? To find the value of r. In equation 2 and 3. In equation 2 and 3, h, k and r. 3 unknown. 2 we have calculated, we have find. Now remaining is r. So either you can take, you can put in equation 2 or 3. The equation 2 was x minus, no, equation 2 was 4 minus h whole square plus 1 minus k whole square is equal to r square. 4, h is 3, 1 and k is 4, r square. So 1 square is 1, 9. So r square is equal to 10. R, H and K. So equation of circle is x minus 3 whole square, x minus h, put the value in equation 1, and y minus 4 whole square is equal to 10. Or simplify this equation, we get equation is open whole square x square minus 6x plus 9 y square minus 8y plus 16 minus 10 is equal to 0. Or x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y, 16 plus 9, 25 minus 10, 15 equal to 0. This is the answer. So equation of circle is who's passing through the 4 1, 6 5, 6 4 1, 6 5 and whose center lie on line 4x plus y is equal to 16. Now that's all about the circle. Now we can easily solve the other problems of circle. We will meet in next video. There we will discuss about the parabola and related problems. Thank you so much.